Very cheerful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn English subject. Yes, we are going to learn I some words. Okay, match the following pictures with their correct groups. Okay, so what you have to do is, means I stick some picture over here. Yes, beta. Can you see? Yes. Yes. Some I words are here. Okay. Some pictures are here, beta. You have to identify the picture and you have to match it with this words, incomplete words. Okay. So let's start. Yes. At the very first, which picture is this? Identify this picture. This is name. Okay. So we will match with IB. NIB, name. Okay. Then identify this picture. Which picture is this? This is kid. Okay. Then we have to, what we have to do? We have to match with ID. Okay. Two letter word ID. So if you write K in front of ID, it becomes KID, kid. Okay. The incomplete word will complete. Okay. Now which picture is this? Just identify this picture. This is fig. So we have to match with IG. So FIG, fig. Fig means anjeer. Okay. Then which number is this? This is 6. Okay. I think you understood. Which alphabet is missing? S. SIX, 6. Yes. This way we have to match. Okay. Now here, which picture is this, beta? This is bin. So we have to match with IN with the picture. BIN, bin. Okay. Then which picture is this? Sip. Okay. Sip. Then we have to match with SIP, sip. Okay, now the word will complete. SIP, sip. Then what is this? This is kit. So we have to match with this. KIT, kit. Then which picture is this? This is Vim. Like this way you have to complete the matching. Okay. Yes, dear kids, take out your English textbook, page number 3737, beta. Now we will match the, or we already matched the pictures along with the incomplete spelling. Now we will write. Now we will write according to the numbers, beta. At the very first, which picture is this? This is nib. So you have to write here NIB, nib. Okay. Now which is our second picture, beta? This is kid. Okay. So you have to write it here KID, kid. Okay. Now the which picture is this? This is fig. Okay. So you have to write here FIG, fig. Now this is 6. So you have to write, yes, now you have to write the spelling of 6 here, beta. Okay. Then yes, now identify this picture. This is bin. Okay. Now we will write here BIN, bin. Okay. Yes, which picture is this? This is sip. Yes, what you have to do is you have to write the spelling of SIP, sip. Now the word is complete, okay? Yes, dear kids, which picture is this, beta? This is kit, okay? So you have to write the spelling. Here KIT, kit, okay? Now our last, which picture is this? This is Vim. Yes? So you have to write the spelling here. By this way you have to complete the page number 3737 beta. First you have to match and then you have to write the spelling here. Okay. Nib, kid, fig, 6, bin, bin, sip, sip, then kit, kit, bim, vim. Okay. Now take out page number 3939. Join the dots to match I sound words with the correct pictures. Okay. It is very easy to match. Now which spelling is this? P-I-N, pin. Where is pin? So you have to find the picture and you have to match. Here is the pin. So you have to match here. Okay. Then read the second word. W-I-G, wig. Wig. Where is wig? नकली बाल जो बोलते हैं ना उसको विग बोलते हैं बेटा. यस. सो WIG, wig. Then this you know, ZIP, zip. Yes, here it is ZIP, zip. Then SIX, 6. Along with matching you have to read the spelling also. Okay. Then HIT, hit. Hit. Where is it? Hit. Yes, here it is hit. This way you have to complete page number 3939 beta. Yes. Now take out page number 4040. What you have to do is pick the correct letters from the box, yes, given below. Make new word with their correct letter groups and write them in the given space. What you have to do is, here some words are given, yes, and you have to pick some alphabet from here and you have to identify the picture and write in the given box. Okay. Then what is this beta? This is wig. Okay. So we have to include W here and we will write here. You have to here select W from here and you have to write the spelling here, W-I-G, wig. Okay. First one I think you had understood. Now the second is, what this lady is doing? He is mixing all the materials. So mix. So take out M from, select M here from here and you have to write here. Then M-I-X, mix. You have to write M. Include M here. So we will get MIX, mix. Okay. Now which picture is this? This is pit. So you have to select P from here and you have to write P-I-T, pit. Okay. What is this? P-I-T, pit. Which picture is this? I think you understood the picture. This is bin. Okay. So, which alphabet is suitable for bin? B. Okay. So, you have to write B. Take B from here. Select B from here and you have to write here B-I-N, bin. Okay. Now, what is this beta? This is tip of the pencil. So we have to include the T here, T-I-P, tip. Okay. Yes, you have to select T from the top and you have to write it here, TIP, tip. Now, what is this beta? Identify this picture. This is nib. So, add N. Which word we will get? NIB. Yes, dear kids, now identify this picture. This is nib. Okay. We will pick N from here. We will select N from here. And you have to write the spelling of NIB, nib here. Okay. Now dear kids, which picture is this beta? This is lid. So you have to select L and you have to write here LID, lid, before ID. Before ID you have to add L. So we will get LID, lid. Okay. Now which picture is this beta? This is SIM. So you have to add S here. Okay. So we will get SIM, SIM. Like this way you have to complete page number 4040. Yes dear kids. Now take out page number 4141. What you have to do is write 3 words for each group given below. Some incomplete words are given here. You have to make 3 words out of it. You have to mix some more alphabet here and you have to make a word. Okay. Yes. We have to include one alphabet here and we have to make a words like this beta. Fix, 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 MIX, mix and PIX, pix. Okay. Here, like the same way you have to include one more alphabet in it. Like Miss had written here NIB, nib, SIB, save, now RIB, rib. Okay beta. Like this way you have to complete the. Yes, here it had written IB, one more alphabet you have to include it. Yes, like this NIB, nib, SIB, sib, RIB, rib. Okay. Like the same way ID words. Okay. KID, kid, LID, lid, MID, mid. Okay. Yes, KID, kid, LID, lead, then MID, mid. Okay. We have to include one alphabet here and we have to make a words like this. Now with IG, Miss had include BIG, big, FIG, fig, then PIG, pig. Okay. Now IM. We have to write here DIM, dim, SIM, sim, then HIM, him. This way you have to complete IM words. Okay. Yes. Now you have to include one more alphabet in this letter. Okay. Like this PIN, pin, WIN, win, DIN, din. Yes beta.